Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. Okay, see this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Like the video and follow me all the steps. First open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on connection. Click on airplane mode for 2 minutes. Enable the airplane mode. Click on mobile network. Enable all allow. Click on network mode. 5G prepare. Okay, go back, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on mobile network settings, click on reset settings. Okay, open your phone. Now restart your device and open your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thank you. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel.